Salads can be a delicious and healthy part of a diabetic diet, offering a perfect blend of nutrients to help manage blood sugar levels. To help you enjoy a variety of tastes while managing your health, we've curated a list of 7 superb salad options. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the classic Cobb salad, a robust mix that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This popular American garden salad is a hearty, filling option that combines leafy greens such as romaine lettuce or mixed greens with a substantial lineup of toppings: grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, ripe avocado slices, crumbled cheese, and a sprinkle of crunchy nuts or seeds. The beauty of the Cobb salad lies in its rich composition of protein and healthy fats. Grilled chicken and hard-boiled eggs provide a high-quality protein that is essential for muscle repair and growth, while also being low in carbohydrates, which helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Avocado adds not only a creamy texture, but also brings with it heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion process. This delay helps to prevent the rapid rise in blood sugar that can occur after eating quick digesting carbs. Additionally, the nuts and seeds contribute a good dose of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in cardiovascular health, a key consideration for diabetics who are at increased risk of heart disease. The cheese, while also providing additional protein, adds calcium and enriches the flavor profile of the salad. At number 6 on our list, the broccoli and walnut salad stands out as a powerhouse for health benefits, particularly for those managing blood sugar levels. This salad combines the hearty crunch of raw or lightly steamed broccoli with the rich nutty texture of walnuts, both of which bring their unique nutritional benefits to the table. Broccoli is a fiber-rich vegetable, which is essential for blood sugar control because fiber slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes after meals. This cruciferous vegetable is also packed with vitamins C and K, and it includes a variety of nutrients that support detoxification processes and promote anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Walnuts add a valuable component to this salad through their high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are fats that are not only crucial for brain health, but have also been shown to improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. For diabetics, whose conditions can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, incorporating omega-3s into the diet is particularly beneficial. Serve this salad with a dressing made from olive oil and lemon for an extra zest, or a touch of garlic for added flavor. Next on our countdown at number 5 is quinoa salad, a dish that combines nutritional power with delicious flavors. Quinoa, often mistaken for a grain but actually a seed, is renowned for its health benefits, particularly for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This high protein content is beneficial for blood sugar control, as it can help stabilize blood glucose levels by slowing the digestion process, which prevents spikes after meals. Additionally, quinoa is rich in dietary fiber, another key element in blood sugar regulation, as fiber too slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This salad pairs quinoa with a variety of colorful vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and spinach, which not only add vibrant colors and textures, but also pack a punch of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients contribute to overall health and can help combat the oxidative stress associated with diabetes. Dressing the salad simply with a mix of olive oil and lemon juice or a splash of balsamic vinegar enhances the flavors without adding excessive calories or sugars that can disrupt blood sugar levels. At number 4 in our countdown is a delightful combination of health benefits and tantalizing flavors, the spinach and strawberry salad. This salad pairs the leafy greens of spinach with the sweet, juicy bursts of strawberries, creating a dish that is as appealing to the palate as it is beneficial for blood sugar management. Spinach is a superfood when it comes to diabetes care, largely due to its high magnesium content. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that plays a role in over 300 enzyme reactions in the human body, including those involved in the control of blood sugar levels. It helps regulate insulin sensitivity, which is key in managing diabetes effectively. Moreover, spinach is low in calories and carbohydrates and high in fiber, all of which are important for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Strawberries bring their own set of benefits to this salad, adding not just a touch of natural sweetness without the spike in glucose levels, but also contributing a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber helps slow the absorption of sugars in the blood, preventing sudden increases in blood sugar levels. Additionally, strawberries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and combat inflammation. Together, the nutrients in spinach and strawberries make this salad an excellent choice for those managing diabetes, or anyone looking for a healthy meal option. Dressed simply with a light vinaigrette, or even just a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon, the spinach and strawberry salad is a nutritious, refreshing choice that can brighten up any meal while helping maintain good health. Third on our list is the vibrant carrot and beet salad, a colorful and nutritious dish that offers significant benefits for blood sugar management. This salad features carrots and beets as its main ingredients, both root vegetables known for their high fiber content and health-promoting properties. Carrots are a great source of fiber, which is essential for slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream. This slow absorption helps prevent the rapid spikes in blood sugar that can occur after eating meals high in refined carbs. Additionally, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an antioxidant that plays a role in improving vision and boosting immune function. Beets complement carrots perfectly in this salad, bringing their own set of advantages. Like carrots, beets are high in fiber, further aiding in the slow release of sugars during digestion. They are also packed with nitrates and betalains, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on blood pressure and oxidative stress, common issues in diabetics. To dress this salad, a citrus vinaigrette made with lemon or orange juice, a splash of olive oil, and a hint of mustard or herbs not only enhances the natural sweetness of the vegetables, but also adds a fresh, tangy twist without loading up on sugar. This combination ensures that the salad is not only tasty, but also highly beneficial for those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Number 2 in our countdown is the hearty and nutritious bean salad. This dish is a fantastic choice for anyone, particularly diabetics, due to its high fiber and protein content. The salad typically features a mix of beans such as black, kidney, and chickpeas, each bean variety bringing its own unique texture and nutritional benefits to the table. Beans are an excellent source of fiber, which plays a critical role in blood sugar management by slowing down the digestion process and the absorption of sugar. This helps to moderate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes after meals. In addition to their high fiber content, beans are also a great source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues and also plays a part in blood sugar regulation by providing a steady energy source that does not cause sugar levels to fluctuate significantly. To enhance the flavor and nutritional value of this salad, crunchy bell peppers can be added. Bell peppers not only contribute a satisfying crunch, but are also loaded with vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that help combat cellular damage, a common concern for diabetics. Dressing the salad with a light vinaigrette made from olive oil, vinegar, and a hint of mustard or herbs infuses it with zest and tang, without adding excessive calories or sugars. The bean salad is a blood sugar-friendly meal that is both filling and flavorful. Its combination of fibers, proteins, and healthy fats from the olive oil in the dressing makes it a balanced meal option that supports overall health and well-being, making it a worthy runner-up in our countdown of best salads for diabetics. And finally, at the top spot, we have the classic Greek salad, a refreshing and nutritious choice that perfectly balances flavor with health benefits. This salad is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and is celebrated not only for its delightful taste, but also for its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. The base of a Greek salad includes crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and sharp red onions. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and calories, making them a great choice for those managing diabetes. Tomatoes rich in lycopene and vitamin C offer antioxidants that protect against cellular damage, a concern in diabetes management. Red onions not only add a punch of flavor but also provide quercetin, an antioxidant that has been studied for its potential to improve blood sugar control. Adding to these vegetables are feta cheese and olives, both of which contribute healthy fats to the salad. Feta cheese adds a creamy texture and tangy flavor while being relatively low in fat compared to other cheeses, making it a suitable option for a heart-healthy diet. Olives are abundant in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which can help decrease inflammation, and have been shown to benefit insulin sensitivity. Dressed simply with olive oil, and perhaps a splash of vinegar, Greek salad is not only easy to prepare, but also aligns well with dietary recommendations for preventing blood sugar spikes. Its combination of low-carb vegetables, healthy fats, and minimal dressing makes it an excellent meal option for maintaining steady glucose levels. Overall, Greek salad deserves its place at the top of our list. It is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a side salad or a main course, perfect for a diabetic diet, and a delicious way to enjoy a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients that support overall health and well-being. And there you have it, our countdown of the best salads for diabetics. Each salad brings together a blend of ingredients that support a healthy lifestyle. So whether you're looking for a light lunch or a substantial dinner, these salads provide tasty options to keep your blood sugar in check while satisfying your appetite. Remember, managing diabetes successfully often involves a comprehensive approach, including diet, exercise, and sometimes medication. Consult with your healthcare provider to tailor these salad suggestions to fit your specific health needs and preferences, and enjoy discovering just how flavorful and fulfilling a health-conscious diet can be. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more diabetes-friendly tips. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.